Hello everyone. Today's video is going to be about using Artisan Infrastructure and then have Gladinet Cloud Enterprise installed in the Artisan Infrastructure. To get started, let's log in to the VPDC demo account. The Gladinet Cloud Enterprise is an enterprise file sync and share solution. And the solution you can host in any data center, and in this case, we are hosted in the Artisan Infrastructure's virtual data center. Now we are launching the VMware vSphere client. And after it's launched, we will be able to connect to our Windows 2008 server instances. The Gladinet solution is built on top of the Microsoft stack. The Windows server, it could be 2008 or it could be 2012. And now as we're browsing into the VMware structure, we'll be getting closer to the virtual machine we have. There you go. That's the virtual machine instance we have. And now let's connect to the server console. As a sync and share solution, there are two prerequisites. One is the access infrastructure, and it's currently hosted on a 2008 server. It could be a bunch of 2008 servers and to scale up the solution. The other important piece of the puzzle is the storage, and we will be connecting to the Artisan Object Storage, the OBS. So now the VMware client is connecting to the 2008 server console. And this should be a Windows 2008 R2 server. So Windows 2008 R2, Windows 2012, Windows 2012 R2 are all supported. And we recommend 2012 because the solution is depending on ASP.NET 4.5, which comes with Windows 2012. You can always install that on a Windows 2008 R2 machine, and that should be fine. We have the Gladinet Cloud Enterprise installed, so we will be jumping directly into the configuration screen. So now we are creating the default administrator account. So this is a Gladinet Cloud Enterprise administrator. You can leave the other parameters such as the external URL, leave it as it is for now. You can always change that when you are ready to open this solution to the internet for business. You will need to map the public IP address to a DNS name, get an SSL certificate, and you are in business. So now we will be connecting to Artisan Infrastructure's object storage. So now we will be putting in the object storage's access point. The object storage is compatible with Amazon S3, so we have selected the Amazon S3 compatible entry. So for the Amazon S3 compatible entry, it needs to have an access point different from the Amazon S3's default access point. The access key should be the username and password for the object storage account. And for Artisan Infrastructure, we need to check the checkbox on the screen there. That refers to the bucket DNS, means you can have a bucket name as part of the DNS name or as part of the virtual directory. And we will be selecting the virtual directory option instead of the part of the DNS name option. So now the object storage connector has found the bucket that we created some time ago, and we are connecting to it. And since this is the last stage of the configuration, it's going to take a little bit longer, not too long, a minute or two, and it's configuring the account and set up the configuration information on the server for it to get ready for the solution. So now everything is ready. The web portal is already up. As you can see here, the files and folders are showing up. So these files and folders are showing up from the object storage. So the server is hosted on a Windows 2008 machine, and this is your gateway into your storage. And the first thing you see here is the web-based, web browser-based client. And if you change the localhost and to the IP address, the public IP address, or the public DNS name with SSL, then you're ready to go. And now, as you can see here, there are different kinds of clients you can connect to your enterprise file sync and share solution. And the whole solution is hosted inside Artisan Infrastructure, connecting to Artisan Infrastructure's object storage. Thanks everyone. Bye.